this series, we will build a complete 5S audit tracker, okay, in MS Excel. It's a very simple task to do. How to do it? I'm going to show you stepwise guide, adding a blank worksheet, okay, and then what type of fields you should consider, what type of charts you have to add it. You must have heard this chart's name called radar chart. Also, the automatic scoring you can get added in that specific tracker. So why we are building this tracker? Whether you are managing shop floor audits, office housekeeping, or process improvement, this tracker gives you a structured visual way to see where your teams stand in each 5 phases. As you know, there are 5 phases available in Six Sigma. Number 1 is sort. Number 2 is a set in order. Number 3 is shine. Number 4 is a standardize. And the last one, which is the most important, sustain. We will go slow and steady so you can follow along and build it yourself as per your custom requirement, right? And end up it's something that you can actually use in your daily resume activity. All right. So let's open a blank Excel workbook and start building it from scratch. A last note, we are keeping this series module by module, okay? So if in case you wish to skip any of the one module, you can directly skip that and you can directly jump on the next module, which will help you to understand what exactly we are building. Okay, so without further ado, let's quickly start.
To begin with, let's start with a module 1. Okay, so what we are going to do in the module 1, we are giving the overall idea of what exactly Excel worksheet looks like if in case you are a beginner, right? So how to open a Excel, just click on start and then Excel workbook like this, okay, and then simply click on blank workbook. Here we are going to add, delete our work, whatever we are going to do it, right? Here in this workspace, these are the ribbons where you can do, editing with the help of this home ribbon tab, insertion, if in case we have to convert anything into a table, so on and so forth, right? So that number 1, we are going to rename this sheet. So right click over here, okay, and you can rename it. Or maybe if in case you don't want to go here, by clicking on the right click over here, simply just double click over here and then just rename the sheet. Okay, so what I'm going to do over here is I'll say raw data like this. Okay, so this is how I have renamed this Excel workbook. Simply I will click add 2 more workbook over here, adding a new worksheet, or maybe you can just simply do a right click over here, click on here, insert, and then click on this insert worksheet. Okay, complete your call how you want to keep it. I have simply pressed this plus icon and then I got this new worksheets added over here. I will call this as a phase totals, and this will be my dashboard. Simply I have added this as a dashboard. Now let's talk about what exactly the meaning of 5S. Okay, so quick refresher before we dive into more in detail, since it is a module 1 series, right? So sort is basically remove unnecessary items, and then set in order, so basically it is organize what's left. Okay, number 3 is shine, so it will help you to clean and inspect regularly. Okay, number 4 is standardize, so it keep consistency. Number 5, the sustain, okay, which means maintain a discipline. Okay, our tracker will score 0 to 5, okay, and create a radar chart to show where we are strong or weak. Okay, now select this, click on recommended chart, and there is an option called chart, right? So these are the chart called radar chart, and which we are going to use it in our tracker. Cool. So once it is done, I have just now showed you how it looks. Okay, now it's time to save this. Okay, so why we are saving this? So basically at sometimes whenever we work on the worksheet or whatever worksheet we do, our work get vanished. Okay, so ensure that you are saving your workbook. I'll click on this option, more options, and in the download section I will simply add this as a discover talent underscore 5S underscore audit tracker. Okay, So once it is done, I will ensure that we'll keep this as a types the same and we'll hit a enter button over here. Okay, you can see at the top my Excel workbook has been saved. Cool. And it shows a location as well saved to this PC. Definitely, whenever you save your workbook, you will thankful for yourself later for sure. Get those radar charts, automatic scoring, and color coded ratings. Okay, see you in the module 2.